This is gonna be an interesting one, guys. This is one for the books. As a creative and somebody that really admires the fashion industry and the artistry of couture, I typically am not one to say yes to replicas. But as you can see by the title of this video, today I'm checking out a luxury pair of replica shoes. By luxury, literally these are Prada shoes. So I am super excited because I can't get myself to invest in shoes that cost more than like, I think 300 bucks is the most I ever spent on a pair of shoes. It's just not me at all, but luckily GOODKICKS was kind enough to say, hey, you wanna check out some of our shoes? We like your style, we like what you're doing. And I felt courageous, I guess. I'm a firm believer in if you can't afford it, then it's not in your cards. And if you really want it, you work hard for it. So replicating fashion, and I mean, it's huge within fast fashion, but especially like slapping a name on something as a replication, yeah, it's not a route that I typically take.
The only thing that is artificial or fake about me.
But GOODKICKS has such a establishment that really has great quality products, and just looking at their website, which I'll link all the information down below, they really intrigued me. So that's why I said yes to this collaboration. No, this is not a paid review or anything like that. They really just wanted to have me check out their products. They like my styles. What can I say? I'll do them a favor. No, I'm kidding. These are these shoes that I'll be unboxing today. They are a Prada sneaker. They go by the title Prada designer sneaker, nothing like special or in particular, but they are beautiful. And I like how there's like a platform on them. They're like really preppy. And I decided to check out Prada's website to see if there was any type of shoe that looks exactly like it. Unfortunately, there's not at the moment, but as you can see the prices, they're typically around like $1,200, and GOODKICKS offers a replica for $190. So for today's video, I'm gonna unbox these shoes. We're gonna try them on. I'm gonna give you the full tea on GOODKICKS. And if you're interested in checking them out, like I said, all their information is gonna be linked down below. I will also have a discount code for you at the end of this video. And we're gonna have some fun, and I'm gonna be honest. So if you really wanna know about GOODKICKS, then grab yourself a snack or a drink and keep on watching. Please don't hate me, those of you that follow me for fashion tips, advice, tricks, inspo. I promise you, I'm never the guy that buys reproductions. You know what? While thrifting a few times, there are Tommy Hilfiger like repo pieces that I picked up just because they were so like unhinged. Like I found a Bronx Zoo Tommy Hilfiger hat. It was like totally fake, but I bought it because it was unique, you know? But I'm just not that kind of guy. So GOODKICKS has very affordable luxury pieces. So they have Balenciaga, canceled. They have Prada. They have a lot of like high-end like Nike shoes and just luxury designer shoes that you can get for nearly like half the price, if that even cheaper. I already give you my thoughts on buying replica pieces, so I'm not gonna milk that any longer. So let's get into the review, guys. First and foremost, GOODKICKS actually has a very easygoing customer service. So their quality team actually reached out to me prior to even sending this pair of shoes and asked me if it was like up to my standards. So they sent photos. It was a very quality control type of experience, and they wanted to just make sure that I was happy with what they were sending my way, which is pretty cool. It arrived in a good amount of time, and from what it looks like, it came FedEx obviously, but the box is in pretty decent condition, so I'm expecting the same inside. I'm treating this video as a authentic first impression unboxing. So you're gonna get the full tea on how the products are received and all of that good stuff. So I personally like those type of videos when I'm looking into a new company. So hopefully you do as well. But here we go. This is the actual shoebox in here. From what I read, they do come in a pretty close shoebox to the actual brand. Oh my God. Okay, so no joke. This is actually a Prada box right here. A little sneak peek right there. But yeah, the box is pretty legit. That is amazing. This is really cool. So let's open it up. Let's open it up and see what we got here. So this looks so authentic. It is insane. There's kind of like a sales receipt. Oh my God, what the heck? And it has kind of like a receipt right here showing how much are these shoes worth $6,800, like the actual pair, and a customs type of tag. That is insane. Well, it says Hong Kong limited, so yeah, it's like shipped from a different part of the world. Oh my God, how did they know that this is like literally my color? This is my powder blue. It has Prada right there. This is so crazy. I'm like, okay, this is legit. So there's wrapping. Like, when it comes to details, I'm shook right now at how elevated this is. There's a little bit of foam here to keep them protected. So far, I'm super impressed with all these details and like protection and just making it look authentic. It is crazy. Oh my goodness. So here we have one shoe. Oh my goodness. That is gorgeous. They're platformed. They have red, which is why I'm wearing this blazer right here. And you guys, these are so freaking cool. I'm shook. I'm shook right now. Now I'm just praying they fit because I'm a US men's 10, 10 and a half, and that's exactly what I ordered. So we'll see if they fit. We got this. Even the interior, it says Prada right there. Oh my God, on the shoe, the bottom of the shoe as well. That is insane. Oh my goodness. All right, so I mean, first impression, I'm speechless. Like literally, these look insane and they look super authentic. But how do they fit? Okay, that's like what matters most. Like, are they gonna be true to size? Are they actually gonna fit? They look pretty, everything was presented very well. But again, most importantly is if they actually fit. So, and if they're comfortable, obviously, like comfort's a priority as well. Okay, the shoes are on. Do you really wanna know, do they fit? Do they look good? The moment of truth. Do they fit? Do they look good? Yes and yes. Oh my gosh, you guys. They look amazing. And surprisingly, they actually feel very comfortable and equivalent to the size that I requested. So again, I requested a 10 and they fit like a 10. Okay, I need to share with you how freaking cool the shoes look with this outfit. Like, they look perfect. The red right down that middle. They actually give me height. Not that I need it, but it's always nice. All right, guys, that is a wrap on this Good Kicks experience. I did not sign up for this review to persuade anyone into purchasing replicated fashion at all. But let me tell you, I am pleasantly surprised in what Good Kicks has provided. Not even just like with the shoe and the quality itself, but also how it was received, the fact that they look so authentic. It's beyond. I'm very excited to share with you guys a discount code of $15 off your next purchase if you use code George. As easy as it gets. Yeah, Good Kicks is pretty legit, you guys. I tell you, when I first was asked to do a collaboration with them, I was really skeptical, and also I didn't want to like disappoint anybody within the fashion community because replicas are very frowned upon, and I'm aware of that. And honestly, as a creative myself, I would not want anybody to replicate my pieces. So I have a lot of mixed feelings about the topic, obviously. So, but this was a fun one. I really enjoyed this unboxing and experience. Hopefully you guys did as well. Hopefully maybe I brought awareness to a whole part of fashion that maybe some people aren't aware of. I don't know, maybe. Take what you want from this video. I am not here to encourage anyone to purchase replicas, but it was fun. It was fun. I appreciate luxury fashion, and just this experience alone was interesting, to say the least. So if you did enjoy this video, if you found it to be helpful, fun, interesting, please give me a big thumbs up. I would appreciate it. And if you're not already, please subscribe to my channel. I would love your company. My Instagram is @SchirraGeorge. If you want to follow me on there as well, I would appreciate that very much. And until next time, as always, say thanks, give compliments, and think positive. And I'll catch you in the next video. Bye, guys.